In this video, I'm going to talk about Gumlet. This is the Vimeo alternative. With the help of you can upload, secure, stream, and even host your videos on the any website. And the best part, because this is the Vimeo alternative, you can just control all the stuff like the player settings. You can add the forms, you can add the clicks, all this stuff easily you can do that. So let me give you a demo first. I have stored this video on my Gumlet account, and after that I have just got its embed code here. You can see, simply copy it and you can now paste it here on your website, any post, any page, and this is how it will look like on your website page. And let me show you how fast it's load. Simply play and it will start loading out. So I have talked about the controlling settings, like you can just enable and disable the your sound. You can enable these kind of the forms or the chapters in your video. You can add the multiple track audios or the subtitle. So all this stuff you can control on your Gumlet account, and this is what the makes Gumlet best here. So in this video I'm going to give you the detailed overview on these features, and because this is the Black Friday deal, that its lifetime deal is back again on the app. So we have the 6 tier plans available, and every tier plan is going to give you the more minutes and the higher limit of the bandwidth. Okay, so I will talk about the lifetime deal later, but first talk about its overview and the feature. So once you got its lifetime deal in the Black Friday, you are going to get in the really affordable pricing. So make sure check out the description for the lifetime deal link. So we have this dashboard once you log in, and here we have to go on the video, and in the video we can upload or import our video. So right now I have just imported only 2 videos, that's why it is showing me in the assets here. Okay, so if I click here on the import video, we have all these integrations available. I can use to import the videos from the Google Drive, Dropbox, we have the OneDrive, Amazon, we have the Vistia, and even the Vimeo. So along with being the alternative, it is also offering me the option to import the video directly from my Vimeo account or the Vistia. So if you are moving from these 2 platforms, this is the really good feature. Okay, so if I click here on the import, I have all these options. I can also use my device to upload the videos. For example, right now I am uploading a shorter video. For example, this is the video here, and it is around the few seconds video, but for the demo I am just showing you out. Simply click here on the open, and now it will start importing out. You can see, check it out, now it is imported. So one thing that I really loved it is the fast processing and the uploading speed. So once your video is uploaded, what you can do, you can simply click to open up that video, and here you can control the things like the title. You can add the description. If you have the thumbnail, you can add it here, and this thumbnail will be the used to in your player that you can embed on your any website. Okay, so after that, what I want to talk about, you can even add the forms. If you have the multiple subtitles available, you can add the multiple subtitles. We have the audio tracks available. Suppose this video is in the English, but you want to add the translated audio as well, so you can add that. Then this is the chapters. I want to create the chapters, I can do that. This is the your click button that you want to show up on your video while playing some length. You can do that from here. Okay, so this is the really good features. I like it here. So once everything is done, simply click here on the embed and share. Now you will get the some player settings, like you want to add the background, simply enable it. You want to do the autoplay, simply enable it. You want to disable the controls, simply enable it. So there are the 2 video sizes. First, the responsive, it will be the automatically resized based on the device the page is going to be open. Then we have the fixed size that we can control. Then simply click here on the copy code. You will get the iframe code here that you can paste on your any part of the website, and this is how it is going to show up. Suppose I will go here, simply here, when I go to the HTML, I have embed this code and I preview. This is how it is showing like. So simply process it is going to offer you. Okay, so this is the only one feature I have showed you, how you can just upload, host, and embed your videos on the any part of the website. Along with the Gumlet, you can also do the live stream. So this is really cool feature. I like it here. For example, I just created a demo stream here, and this is how it's going to show up here. So right now it is enabled, and my live stream is going to be the soon starting within this time countdown here. So suppose I want to show this live stream on the my website. So what I will do here, I will click the copy embed code. I will just paste this embed code any part of my website. So right now, if I am going to embed it here, You can see I have embed. Now let me preview, and now this live stream is starting to show up on my website here. So let me save the draft, okay, and refresh this page. Soon this live stream will start showing up here. Okay, so that is really cool feature. Again, I have the controls that I can just do it here. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about the Gumlet. Really cool features once again back in the lifetime deal for the Black Friday. So I suggest get its lifetime deal because the tool is so much useful here. Okay, so right now we have the 6 tier plans available starting from the $59, and for Black Friday this is the really affordable pricing here. So the single tier plan will give you the 1200 minutes of the storage, the 500 GB of the bandwidth per month here. This is the per month, so you don't need to be worried. So let me tell you what is the bandwidth. Means the video plays, simply words, video plays. Okay, then the users, this is the collection, all these features basically telling you. So if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal, there's the link given in the description, and there's the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you're not happy with your Gumlet lifetime deal, just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be the backed here. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the Gumlet. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.